How is it going, guys? We made it to day 21 of our dropshipping challenge. So we've been doing this whole journey for 3 weeks now. Um, it's been really nice. The first 2 weeks we got 2 sales, right? Just from organic. And for the third week, it only goes up after your first sales, right? Nothing. We got 23 online store sessions the last 6 days. We had zero checkouts. We had one add to cart. But yeah, I mean, the content that I was pushing out while I was on vacation wasn't really that not good. I didn't have a lot of time to think about stuff to do some special hooks or something like that. But I figured some other stuff out, how I can repurpose content. So I'm mirroring some content which I found, and this kind of works or doesn't trigger the TikTok original content thing. So yeah, I didn't push out a lot of content. The content wasn't that good. Also, the short that was getting a lot of views, continually getting a lot of views, that died down at like 30k views now. And all the reels like are getting around 600 views from TikTok and YouTube. So it stays at that range. For TikTok especially, I haven't had one TikTok that went over 1,000 views, so I need to work on that. Instagram, as usual, isn't working at all. Nothing gets pushed to other viewers. I don't know if that's normal. I don't know if you can get thousands of views in the first reels, or Instagram is working like that. But yeah, I'll try to figure it out, maybe with some proxies. But yeah, as you guys can see, I'm finally back at home. So I had a lot of time today. Not a lot of time. As you guys know, I work full time, so I don't have a lot of time anyways. I'm just using whatever I have. But yeah, I pushed 4 new products onto my store. I'm gonna add some more, like I'll do different collections, but it's all in that one niche. That was a tip from a friend of mine, like to push more products so people that are on the website can choose other products as well. So I'm trying to build a brand around it. I hope it's going to be going fine. And probably I'm going to order some of those products as well, just to do more content, get more viewers to connect with my account, because they think maybe that we are a brand, we bring out like new products, and they are not gonna see shorts or reels of that one product every time they see a video of mine. So hopefully that goes well. So I'm going to push more products out, research a lot. I have a couple in mind that I'm just gonna push out. I mean, what am I gonna lose? The store is going to look better. And also the 11 Labs thing, the voiceover, I've watched a couple of videos. I will do that. I will get I need a perfect like female voice that sounds realistic, and then I finally can do some content for ads. So TikTok ads and Facebook ads. This is what I'm trying to push, because I see my product in Germany working for 2 different vendors. They're pushing that product out on, I see it on Meta ad library, and that's why, and they have done that for months. So and it's still running, so there is a market for it. I just have to take a little slice and get it. Oh, also guys, if you want to see more content, if you want to have more content around dropshipping or online marketing, everything else that makes money online, please subscribe. Also leave a like if you support this channel and want to see more. That would mean a lot to me. And yeah, that's the plan for the next week. And I'm gonna push like everything I got the next week. So we finish the whole month, first month, with a bang. So I'm really excited how this first month is going to end. And yeah, stay tuned and see you guys next time. Bye.